Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the Schedule 1 slot and the precise arrival window. This avoids delays. Once done, inspect dock dimensions and weight limits so you know if your trailer fits and what gear to stage. Make sure required equipment, forklift, straps, wheel chocks, is available before you back in. Prepare paperwork such as the bill of lading and any required forms so you can hand them over quickly. These first actions reduce wait time and prevent last-minute rechecks that cost minutes. You approach the dock slowly and align the trailer with guides or bumpers to prevent damage. This precision matters. Once positioned, engage the parking brake and apply wheel chocks, then radio the dock agent to confirm clearance. Next, open the trailer and stage goods by zone. Start with high-priority pallets so they're out first. Use aisle numbers and product tags to direct handlers. This minimizes double handling. Throughout unloading, monitor weight distribution and adjust pallet placement to keep operation. You finish by verifying counts and obtaining signatures against the bill of lading, resolving any mismatches on the spot to avoid later claims. Once signed, secure leftover cargo, then wait for the dock agent to release chocks before you move. This prevents accidental rollaways. If you find a misload or damage, document it with photos and a written note, notify your supervisor, and retain evidence for claims. That single troubleshooting step, photographs plus immediate notification, protects you and speeds resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.